Good morning, children. How you all, Amma? Hope you are fine. Okay, in the previous class we learned exercise 32. Now I'm going to start exercise 33. Let's start our class. See the first one. Write in expanded form. Write in expanded form. Write in expanded form. What is that? 4648. They ask us to write that number in expanded notation. See, 4648, 4000s plus 600s plus 40 plus 8. See the second one. 75 into 100 minus 100. 75 into 100 minus 100. What is 75 into 100, children? What is 75 into 100? 75 is multiplied with 100. So 75 hundreds minus 100. 5 minus 1, 4. That means 75 hundreds minus 1, 7 minus 100, 74 hundreds. Next. How many days are there in 21 weeks? 21 weeks equal to how many days? 21 weeks equal to how many days? Children, you know, 1 week contain how many days, Amma? 1 week contain 7 days. 1 week contain 7 days. But here they are asking us to find for 21 weeks. 21 weeks means 21 into 7. 7 1 7, 7 2 is 14. 147 days. Okay. 147 days. See the fourth one. Fill in the missing number. Three thousand nine hundred twenty-five, 3,930, 3,935, 3,940, 3,945. That means what the difference they given two blanks for us 3,925. 35 after they got 30, 25, 30, 35. What will come in this sequence? What is the difference between the numbers? 5. What is the difference between that numbers? 5 is the difference between that numbers. So 5. If you add 5 to the next number, you will get that second number. Yes, na? So 3,925, 3,930, 35. So what will come? 3,940. 40 after what will come? 5 add means 3,945 you will get. See the next one, ma. 7 kilometer, 5 meters equal to how many meters? Children, you have to know 1 kilometer has 1000 meters. You should know. What is that? You have to remind 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. What is 1 kilometer? 1000 meters. Here they asked us to find 7 kilometer, 5 meters. So 7 kilometer, 5 meters equal to 7 into 1000 plus 5. What is 7 into 1000? 7000 plus 5. 7000 plus 5? 7005 meters. 7005 meters. How many meters are there? 7005. You have to put 2 zeros, not 1 0 or 3 zeros. See the sixth one. See the sixth one, Amma. Here they given the diagram of one book. 48 rupees. And one chocolate cost 18 rupee 50 paisa and one ball. And one ball. 20 rupee 50 paisa. For that was they given the diagrams of a book, a chocolate and a ball. Book cost 48 rupees, chocolate cost 80 rupee 50 paise and ball cost 20 rupee 50 paise. What is the question now? I will read to you. How much will you pay for a book and a ball? For a book and a ball. What is cost of book, amma? Based on the figure, cost of book is 48 rupees. They are asking us to find the cost of book and ball. Cost of ball. What is the cost of ball? 20 rupee 50 paisa. Here 48 rupees na? 28 rupees 50 paisa. Total cost. What is the total cost of those two articles? 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 8 plus 0, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. 68 rupee 50 paisa is the cost of book and ball. What is the cost of book and ball? 48 rupees, 20 rupee 50 paisa. Totally 68 rupee 50 paisa. 68 rupee 50 paisa. See the next one. 7th one. In which month? The month which comes between April and July. The month which comes between April and July are the months which comes between April and July are, and how many days in all total? What are the months comes between April and March? April and the months which comes between April and July. What are those two months they are asking? The months which comes between April and July. What are those months? April after May. May after June. They are asking how many number of days are there in these 2 months. What comes between April and July? May and June. And how many days are there in May and June? So number of days in May. Number of days in May. How many number of days are there in May? 31 days in May. Number of days in July. June. June, how many days are there? 30. They are asking total number of how many do they have all? How many do they have all? And how many number of days are there? Total number of days. Total number of days in 2 months. How many number of days are there in these 2 months totally? 1 plus 0, 1, 3 plus 3, 61 days are there. In these 2 months total number of days are 61 days. How many days are there? In those 2 months 61 days. See, what fraction was shaded? What fraction was shaded? They given a figure for us. Shaded portion they are asking. They given like this figure. In that like this they given. They are asking how much is the shaded portion. How much is the shaded portion? How much shaded part you have to write. How much shaded part you have to write. See. How much shaded part you have to write. How many parts are shaded? How many total parts? Shaded portion they are asking. Shaded portion. How much is the shaded portion of all? Total how many blocks are there? Count. 4 in each row, 4 in each column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 4. 4 fours, 16 blocks are there. In that how many blocks were shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks. So what is the shaded portion? 7 by 16. What is the shaded portion? 7 by 16. See the ninth one, Amma. 2 hours 30 minutes equal to ninth one. 2 hours 20 minutes equal to how many minutes? That is the question. What is the question? 2 hours 20 minutes equal to how many minutes? 1 hour contain how many minutes, Amma? 1 hour contains 60 minutes. So 2 hours 20 minutes equal to 2 into 60 plus 20. 2 6 12. 2 6 12. So 2 60s. 1 hour contains 60 minutes. Here 2 hours we have to find out. 2 into 260 is 120 plus already they given this one 20 in minutes only. 20 in minutes only. So plus 20. What is 120 plus 20? 0 to plus 2 4 140 minutes. What is the answer? 140 minutes. What is 2 hours 20 minutes? Addition 1 hour contains 60 minutes, Amma. So here they are asking us to find 2 hours 20 minutes. This 20 is given in minutes only. 2 hours 20 minutes equal to 2 into 1 hour contains 60 minutes. Now 2 into 60 plus 20. 2 6 12. So 260 is 120 plus this 20. 120 plus 20 totally 140 minutes is the answer. See the last bit in that multiplication they given. See the last one multiplication. 10th one. 37 into 8. 37 into 8. Here they are asking us to do it in the shortcut way and they given a hint for us. They asked us to split this 37. This 37 can be written as 30 plus 7 into 8. It can be written as 30 into 7. 8 plus 30. 7 into 8. Children, you have to split this 37 as 30 plus 7. This number as 30 plus 7 into 8. It can be written as 30 into 8 plus 7 into 8. After splitting up it into 2 parts, you can write it into 30 into 8 plus 7 into 8. What is 30 into 8? 3 8s 24. So 240 plus 7 8s. What is 7 8s? 56. If you add these two, you will get the answer. What are those two? 240 plus 56. 6 4 plus 5 9 2. 296 is the right answer. This is the short way. Okay, and if you do the direct multiplication as usual, how we done 37 into 8. Okay, like that also. Okay, what is 37 into 8? 8 7s 56. 8 3s 24. 24 plus 5. What is 24 plus 5? 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So 296. In any way you can do. But here they given the clue for us to do this type of calculation. So that's why we done like this. Okay, ma? It's very easy to calculate while doing more number of digits was given. More number of digits was given. By that time it's very easy. Okay, children, in the next session I will continue. Till then, goodbye.